All right, block number 8 of FatCat Patterns, Be Happy block of the month. Let's hope I can get this one layered right. Oh, okay. Out of the way. That wasn't too bad. That's why I like doing this on the Teflon sheet. I'm going to say it again because I have a really difficult time managing all this on the fabric when I can't lift it up and reposition it. I'm just pre-assembling the flower. I'll put the leaves on where I want them to go when I'm actually ironing stuff to the base block. This is just making the flower easier for me to place. That went together nice. So have you gotten yourself a Teflon sheet yet after watching all these? I honestly don't know how I managed before. There we go. 2 bees, back with the fabric. My directional fabric is doing, oh, you know what? I forgot to get my beads. So for those of you wondering, I'm doing all my blocks at once and doing all the filming at once, so I'm going backwards and almost forgot to get my beads out of the box. Alright, so in this one, I want a left bee and a right bee. So there's a left bee. And here's a right bee. Make sure I got all my paper off. Always double check because sometimes I get lazy. Sometimes I just miss it. Okay, let's center this block up. Now that I want a leaf coming that way and a leaf coming this way. I think I want that way. Play with it. And you're going to go about like that. I'm going to come down here and go about like that. I think I need to turn my flowers, so let's try this way. I might be happier with my petals that way. Make sure I have enough room all the way around for my seam allowance. And for me, it's usually 2 fingers. I'll be happy to be getting the stitching done on these. And that one's ready to go.